आप देख रहे हैं इंडिया इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉन्क्लेव 2024 होस्टेड बाय एबीपी लाइव और हम आज बात कर रहे हैं सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बारे में। और इसी टॉपिक पर हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए आज कैपकॉन इंडिया लिमिटेड के डायरेक्टर हैं डॉक्टर विजय कुमार फोमरा। सर, सबसे पहला सवाल मेरा आपसे यही है कि कॉन्क्लेव कैसा लगा एंड यू हैव रिसीव दिस अवार्ड। कुछ बताइए किस कैटेगरी में आपको ये अवार्ड मिला है एंड यू गेट इट फ्रॉम द कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर, हाउ इट फील्स लाइक?
First of all, I am very much thankful to give this honor in India Infrastructure Conclave award given by Honorable Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari for part of the development of India. We are in transmission distribution line powering the countries. So we have selected for the powering of countries, and you have honored us this award. We are very much thankful.
सर, कुछ बताइए आपकी कंपनी के बारे में, कहाँ कहाँ आपने प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं?
Our company Capcom India Limited belong to Calcutta, and we are making so many projects in Bihar, Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Meghalaya, Assam, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh, Bihar, to develop to electrifying the country. We have done almost 30 to 40 districts in India, fully electrifying.
So as we see, of course, we have expanded ourselves a lot in terms of electricity reach in villages and small towns everywhere. But do you see we are still facing any issue in sending these, basic needs in small spaces where people are still struggling to have electricity? Do you see that, or you see we have developed and we have come so far?
It's a continuous process of the development, but as far as the data's having with the government given us, and we have given the electricity, and we are very much happy. The person who are studying in Dibri in Bihar or any other state, and now they are studying in the light. So we feel proud contributing the power this to poor peoples of the villages who don't know about the power. Now they are very much happy to get the power.
Great.
गवर्नमेंट से जो भी डेटा आ रहे हैं हमारे पास में, एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू गिवन द पावर हु आर नॉट रिसीव्ड टिल नाउ.
Great work your company is doing, sir. One more question.
Also, some population is increasing, so they are scattered in other area where the no sensor code is recorded in the government data. Now it is recorded. So government now trying to give the latest available data.
So as I can see, your company is more in semiconductors and power. So how do you ensure security? Because when we build houses, when we use these equipments, power is essential. But we see a number of cases of fire in, hospitals, in big commercial spaces, in houses. So how is your company ensuring that you provide them the safest power?
We are also manufacture of underground power cables and conductors, transmission conductors. So while manufacturing the product, we are very much caring not to protect the from fire. We are also manufacturing FRLS cable, fire-approved cables, and while manufacturing, we are taking very much care. And also, when we are installing the electricity to houses, we are very much taking safety parts, which is mandatory to avoid the fire.
Thank you. Thank you for watching ABP Live.